Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's get this video going. We're going to talk about if the correction is over for Bitcoin and what this means for us as crypto investors. So make sure you guys all stick around till the end. Smash that like button as well. And if you guys are new to Not Your Father's Capital, make sure you guys all subscribe down below and let's get down into it, guys. This is what we're talking about. Is the Bitcoin correction over? And if you can buy altcoins right now. All right, we're going to get into an analyst perspective in that, but let's take a quick dive into the trading view. And remember, guys, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto and finance on this channel. All right, and this is what we're seeing. This is a very green day. This is what we like to see. All right, a little different than the recent days where we've had a little bit of a sell-off. You can see some of the top gainers on the day. For those of you guys that hold some of these altcoins, we're going to look at the likes of Sats, Conflux, Akash, Optimism, Chiliz, and Near Protocol. Okay, also Bonk up over 10%, and ICP having a very strong day. All right, 8.2%. Another crypto I like down there on the list is Injective. Very strong day from them as well. Casp up 5.8%. So very strong day for a lot of altcoins, okay? As always, guys, if you guys have any altcoins you want me to cover here on the channel, best way to let me know so I can get some content out for y'all is to put those symbols down below in the comments box. It really does help me in terms of getting that point driven home, and that's the best way you can get in contact with me up until this point as well, or send me a direct message on X. Okay, I will never try to contact you guys. Keep that in mind on any platform. But this is where we're seeing this altcoin approach, where an analyst is talking about this altcoin rally that we're seeing. Okay, investors should be brave and save. Now, this is coming out from basically one of the more outspoken and popular analyst was in crypto, saying that the altcoin correction is over. We're seeing some cryptos have declines up to 50%. This is coming out from Michael Vandepop, okay? 30, 40, 50% corrections will not happen again. That's coming down from Vandepop. And investor interest in the crypto and altcoin market suddenly disappeared, which I kind of have to believe with him, okay? Little no interest are the days when investments should be made. You should be brave and invest as many as expect for future declines. And that's something very fascinating to talk about. I actually had this discussion with someone a couple days ago. It seems like with anything in life, right? It could be crypto, sports gambling, what have you. Just even the weather for that matter. You know, it seems to be whatever the narrative is, whatever everybody else is thinking, stuff always goes in the opposite direction. And if you're online and in tune with the mainstream media, the mainstream news, it's something where that's where you can really be a step behind, because the people that are already smart, the sharks out there, the sharps, they're already making those moves before you get the news on your desk, okay? And excuse me, my nose is running, so I apologize. I'm going to probably have to use a Kleenex here in a second. But this conversation came up during the Super Bowl based on the paper plates being used with a color connection with the last, I think, 6 or 7 Super Bowl matchups. Very fascinating stuff. I don't mean to talk sports, but if you guys are into the Super Bowl, check that out. It's a good read. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'll try to respond to you guys if you're curious what I'm talking about. But Michael Vandepop basically saying altcoins, the downturn is over, the correction is over, and there are days to invest. Okay. Also saying that he's going to be buying Polkadot, right? And then getting on the edge of his seat for a big run for crypto. And that's kind of what it comes down to, guys. When you look into the altcoins, you can see exactly what's going on within the crypto bubbles. Very strong green days. Hopefully this run continues into the weekend, because I have a couple swing trades that I've been trying to get into within some of the, my doings within my trading indicator. Just kind of, obviously slept through an alert, just to put it plain and simple. I had the right alert flash within my trading indicator, and I missed the boat, and I wasn't able to exit my position when I was trying to trade some Solana. So that's one of the downturns of executing swing trades, but we're recovering very nicely, and I'm about at that stop loss that I'd like to be comfortable with. So I'm not really concerned. I woke up to some very good news today, and you can see right here on the trading view, Solana rebounding at that 91.58 level. Very strong green candle here. But Solana, guys, I love it for trading because it's one of the most volatile cryptos out there. But that's where we're at. And if you guys aren't using 45-minute candles, this is my trading indicator XT Algo. No sales pitch. I don't have time for it, but it simply works. 30-day money-back guarantee, 20% off promo code NYFC for a little bit more than $1 a day, guys. With all the transaction fees out there on Coinbase, some of the exchanges, it is a very valuable tool I use on every one of my crypto transactions, basically. Whether I'm swing trading, I'm getting into a long position, or I'm exiting a position, it really does help. It's not a crystal ball, it's a guiding light, and that's something very important. Like, just for example, guys, Solana, huge momentum down here. So that's where I missed that indicator. That's where I missed the boat. I was not able to sell. I would have saved myself a lot of bit of worrying, where about 14% decrease in price over the short span of a little over 2 days. Then all of a sudden, possible retracement up, momentum up flashes, and boom, here we are with a almost 7% recovery in just less than 48 hours. So kind of why I use it. It's very much a mainstay in my day-to-day crypto use. Like I said, guys, no sales pitch, but I like to show you guys it's a great way to talk about the TA, talk about the charts, because a lot of times you're just forming your own conclusions, but this algorithmic predictor, indicator, if you will, it actually works. So that's what we got going on. Link down below in the description. Use my promo code NYFC. If you guys have any questions, great customer support. Also, I'll try to answer any questions you have, but like I said, for a little bit over $1 a day, what better way not to protect yourself and use some insurance, if you will, just to have peace of mind. That's something where it comes down to. But make sure you guys all do your own research, due diligence with all things crypto and financial. And let me know down below in the comments as well, is this Bitcoin correction over? And do you think altcoins are going to run? Because, guys, looking at the crypto bubbles, I like those green bubbles. It's something where we could have a very strong weekend. So happy trading out there. Hope you guys all enjoy the weekend and beyond. January has been kind of a mixed bag, but hopefully I get over this cold I got and we get back into the swing of things. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everybody.